Good evening, good evening. This is your king. This is your king, the one and only Prince M. Uh, I'm coming with another thing. We have a very serious and brand new problem. We have older men and we have older women that are old, and they want to get the benefits of being old and the benefits of being called old people, of getting the respect that was supposed to be given to all people. But they want freedom of young boys, they want freedom of young girls. I'm against this law. I'm against this thing of sugar mummies and sugar daddies. I am against that thing. You know what's gonna happen one day? You old man, you old lady dating a kid, you're gonna die on top of that kid. Because now this is not right. This is not right. How are we going to fix our South Africa? It's like this in my time. I don't have a baby now, but when my baby comes, it's gonna be worse. So this must come to an end. This is a very serious problem and we need to address it, and then we need to fix it. We can't be having like 50, 60 years people sleeping with the early 20s. What do you think? Some of these men sleep with the kids that are in the same age as their grandchildren, and then you think that you're going to get a respect. When you walk outside, you think that you're going to get a respect from us. You can't be thinking that, because you are dating someone that I'm supposed to be dating, but you do it. And then you don't even have a shame. You just do it as if like it's nice, it's the right thing to do. Just do it. We are fixing the country. And then you'll hear people saying, I'm not here to fix. I was born this world like this. Good people, we need to fix this shit. Because this is not right. This is not right. But yeah, it's fine. And also, there's another issue that I want to fix. I want to talk about also. The fact that not everything that is happening between you and your boyfriend, you need to talk about it to your friends. I've watched so many videos like Duyaza Protection, CMTV, about King Ginger speaking about these things. Find people saying that you look, show me, you said your friend, your man is good in bed, your girlfriend is good in bed, they are tight, they are doing 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. The same person that you come and tell these stories is the very same person that is gonna be there, because they want to taste now, they want to feel what you are feeling. So every day, on whatever you're doing, you don't need to go around and telling people. You do not need to kiss and tell. You do not need to kiss and tell. People will ask me, how is your relationship going? My relationship is fine. Even if my relationship is not fine, even if me and the person I'm dating, we are fighting, but my relationship is fine. Because when you are in a relationship, there are people that are saying, we're gonna know, we want to see where are they going. We want to see how long are they gonna last. But you don't have a secret. You go around telling people that, no, in my relationship, this is what we do and this is what we not do. And then people are gonna use that. So my advice is now, be careful on who are you inviting into your relationship. because not everyone wants to see you happy. Not everyone wants to see you in a relationship. Some people don't last, and it's natural. Some people don't last because in a relationship, you need to be submissive. Both, it's 50-50. If I'm wrong as a guy, I need to say, baby, I was wrong on doing 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and then we pass. And then if you're wrong, you need to agree also that I was wrong on doing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, so that we continue. But that relationship is not going anywhere if you invite so many people. And my mom will be like, I don't like this girl of yours. Hey, women, that girl is not dating you. That woman is dating me. So I choose who come into my life and who goes. Because at the end of the day, I don't want to say, you see the women that you chose for me is now not working out. This relationship is not working. Yes, because I don't want that to happen. So good people, be careful on what you say to people about your relationship. And the relationship that you are looking for, you create it. I don't want a broke boyfriend. What do you want? A rich boyfriend. You don't know even where that riches is coming from. Just come. And if you go around saying those things, you're gonna look like a leech. So in most cases, I've met so many guys that say, yo, I can't date you. Yeah, I love the security officer. I want someone that has money. My question is like, do you have money? No, I don't want to date someone that has a car. Do you have a car? You don't have a car. So what the fuck? So people, I'm only here to advise. I'm only here to give advices. They are not the best, but they are working for me. They are working for me. So let us not clap hands. Let us not stand up or bow down for this thing of sugar mummies and sugar daddy. Basayiqhobela izandla loo nonsense. I-nonsense kaloku le. And number 2, let us not clap hands for these failing relationships, because people are inviting their friends. People are inviting so many people into their relationship. They are inviting friends. They are inviting families. They are inviting everything. I have a friend. That friend of mine, he was single for so long. Her sisters will come to him and tell him on what to do with his payment. Okay, you're gonna send money home, you're gonna do this thing, you're gonna do that thing. But they don't send money home. It's time for them to take their leaves. They don't have money. They come to him and say, give us money. And I told him that, you know what's gonna happen? When you have a woman, you're gonna fight with the women. Because now your woman is gonna want to be hands-on. Your woman is gonna need now to do everything for you. But your sisters are gonna be there. Exactly what I said happened. By the time my friend started dating, okay, the relationship started, it's not serious, then it was becoming serious, then he was starting to badger the women, starting to give women money, and the sisters stood up. Where are you coming from? Why are you using my brother? Why are you taking his money? Why are you doing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? My brother used to give us money. Why do you want your brother's money but you are working for yourself? Why must your brother pay your rent? Why must your brother do that thing but you're working for yourself? Now your brother is in a place to date and to give the person that he's dating money back, but because there's you. Now your brother can't do anything because there is you that wants the benefits. These things are very serious. We need to take consideration of these things because they destroy human being. They can destroy you. So My advice is one. My advice is one. My advice is only one. When you're in a relationship, it must be you and the person you're dating, not the other way around. Don't invite so many people. In my relationship, I invited so many people, such that now when it was crumbling, when it was cracking, and then when it was ending, I was like, no, let's just do it for the people. Yay, yay. Hey, let us do it for the people. What are the people gonna say? People are always gonna talk. These people are always going to talk. Whether you do right, they're going to talk. Whether you do wrong, they're going to talk. Whatever that you're going to be doing, these people are going to talk. And these people will always have something to say. So the people that you are inviting in your relationship, be careful. Be careful. Be careful. So it's just a free advice from me, guys, to you. I'm not a relationship expert, but whatever that I do in my relationship is working. It is working. Be careful on who you advise, on whom and you are inviting your relationship. Be careful of friends in your relationship. And then let's stop and reprimand these old women and old men sleeping with kids, calling themselves sugar mummies and sugar daddies. Let us stop this thing of inviting families into our pockets, and then now when we start having people that we want to spend life with, they are there trying to demolish what we are trying to start, because now they want the money, because now they are used to your money. It's a free advice. So from your prince, good luck, guys. Love you.